How to check order history on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. To check order history on Facebook, first launch Facebook app on your Android phone. Make sure that you sign in to your account. Navigate to three-bar menu icon at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, locate Setting and Privacy, and from the section choose Orders and Payments. At the top, you will easily see all your recent activities. Currently, I don't have any pending or completed activities, so when you stop, donate, or transfer money, that activity will appear here. So if you have added items on your cart, you can easily navigate to the cart icon at top right. And here you can see all your order history on Facebook. So I don't have any of those. So if you have, you can easily watch it and then manage it on your Facebook order. And that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.